is Melissa. I'm a service learner at Cal State Monterey Bay for the Monterey County Free Libraries program. Today, I'm going to show you how to make apple cinnamon bread. So let's get started. The ingredients we are using today are going to be all-purpose flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, baking powder, eggs, sugar, vegetable oil, applesauce, and apples. In a large mixing bowl, I have mixed together 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2½ teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In a separate bowl, I have mixed together 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of applesauce. Now that we have mixed our wet and dry ingredients separately, we're going to add our wet mixture into our dry bowl, as well as fold in our chopped up apples. Now we have our normal bread mixture of our wet and dry ingredients, and now I've added about 2 cups of finely chopped apples, and we're just gonna fold that into each other until it is well mixed. Alright, so now we have our bread mixture, and we're going to put it in our oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake it for 55 to 60 minutes. Alrighty, and now that we've pulled it out of the oven and let it cool, we've made apple cinnamon bread. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to make apple cinnamon bread with me.